Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is the voice of Undiluted Graphics. We want to design a flyer, a business flyer. Now, this is the interface of my PZ Lab. The first thing to do, this just click this shape, click this color, press the color, and change it to white color. Then okay, the new text that is there, I want to delete it. Come to this place again, image size. This place I used to, that is my own. You can change your own as you like. My own is 5,000 and 4,000. Just so the size have changed. First thing to do, I will import my image, the image I want to use for the design. I want to use this. This is the image. I just need to crop it. If you notice one thing, there is photo room watermark there. This is the photo room. So whenever you have removed any background with photo room, it shows photo room like this. So just make sure that you crop out the photo room so that it will not show in your design. So I want to do it this way. Let me just do it this way. I want to put it like this. Maybe I should do it like this. Let me crop it like this. Crop. Let me do it this way. I think this way is good. So you see, I've taken it downward so that it will not show. Just like this. I think it's good like this. Then I will lock it. Then what do you think we can do? And whenever you are designing, please, the color of the clothes that the person you are using is putting on, you should try to use the color when you are designing. And you can even use the color for the background, but you can also use white too for any color, because white can go in almost every color. So I decided to use white because the man is wearing like a deep blue color now, so I just decided to use white. So let's start our design. This maybe marketing secret, market strategy. Let's say market strategy. Yes, market strategy. Maybe online market strategy. Let's just write this market strategy first. So I want to use the color. Now let me use gradient. Press this plus, take it to gradient, press this place, press the plus. This is color picker, the first one here is color picker. I want to pick the color from the clothes. I press this place, then I will tap on the clothes. Now see, okay, do you see the cloth, the color of the cloth that the man is putting on? Press okay, come to this place again, press plus. This first one, color picker, you mark it again. Then I want to do it this way. Maybe one will be light, because the first one is the first line here stand for color, the middle one stand for darkness or lightness. So do you see, it's light, it's dark, as I'm reducing and increasing it. So this one is transparent. So let's just do it this way. Let's make it lighter. Okay, press this third one. I love, just make sure that it's too white. Let's do it this way. Make it deeper. Then maybe should we leave it like this? Like this is okay. Okay, so let's change the font. Let's use this font. Market strategy. Copy. Strategy. Capital letter. Like this. So it's online market strategy. So let me bring this shape. I bring in shape. Just keep following. Shape. Let's use the gradient, the same color. No, let me just use something like red. Let's use something like red. That is good. It's good like this. Then I want to increase this to 20. The radius 20 is okay. Bring it here, centralize it. Another shape, let's use this shape. Let's reduce this shape to a very small shape, the same color. Then rotate it downward. Then crop it. Let me crop it. I want to change the direction. Now I've gotten what I wanted to get. Take it to back. Now it's at the back. So now let's merge it together like this. Let's merge it together, this one and this one. Then press merge. Okay, then I will now give it the color again. I will give it the color again, the color of the gradient here. So take it down. Align. Let's let the shape move a little bit. Then let me merge it again. Do you get what I'm doing? I want the triangle here to touch this angle like this. I think it's good like this. I think it's good. Then change the color again. Then write online. I think it's good like this. Online. Take it here. Reduce the size. 25 is okay. You can give it a spacing if you like, and if you like you may not. Just let me give it something like this gradient color. Let's press this gradient and change this place to some color here. I think it's good. You can go. Okay, keep following on. Let's use white. White is good. I don't want much color like that. White is good. Online market strategy. Then import shape again. Import shape. A little bit radius. 5 is okay. Give it the stroke. Like this. Change it like this. Change the direction. I want this place to be more darker. Like this. I think it's good. Take it to back. I think it's good like this. I can copy it, edit it, erase it like this, reduce it, and give it a stroke. Give it a stroke, like +3 stroke, and give the stroke white color. Let me reduce it a little bit. It's too big. Then come to this shadow. Now shadow. Take it up. No, don't worry. Let's make it 0 is good. I think shadow is good now. Then come to text. You can just write something attractive. Principle of online marketing. Press this place. Do and don't of do and don't of online marketing. How to source for client online. How to retain client online. Pricing without losing any client. And lot more, and lot more. Just give yourself something catchy. And lot more, all in capital letter. Reduce it very well. Reduce it very well. Come like this. And give it white color. Just give it white color. White color. Increase it a little bit. A little bit like this. I think it's okay. Just bring it here. Bring it like this. Then copy, edit, delete this one. I want to give in this. Let me add one more. Do you know what I'm doing? I want to put the dots at the back of those highlights of the service we are rendering. So I'm just taking it down. It's as if it's much than. I think I need to erase one from it. I think it's good like this. Then let me give it another color. The gradient I did the last time, the yellow gradient, I think it's good like this. Let me import something. If I can see something to import. I don't think I have something I can import here. Then let me use shape. No, let me use shape. Let me use sticker. In your own pizza, you may not have sticker, and if you have the sticker, you may not have this exact sticker. So you can use just that just use the shape instead. Use the shape instead. Just change it to color. Let's pick this one. I want to write free. Let me write entry first. Entry. This. Entry. Then reduce the size. The entry will be smaller. Entry. Let's give it white. That one is too archish. It's too ash on it. Let's give it white. Then copy down. Copy. Free. The free must be big because the free is also a way of advertising your class. Just put the free here. Take it to the center. Then you import another shape again. Another shape. Just give it something catchy like this, and take it to the back. Let's go to the back of this and bring it down here. Just the same size. Make sure that your work is aligned. Don't just create something. If you see this my small shape, at least it's in the same line with the other one. The same line at least. You can lock it so it will not be shaking. Lock it. Let me copy this. I want to write highlight. Just bring it here. Highlight. Then golden bonus. Copy again. Then I write golden bonus. Then I will take it down here. Then copy. My personal group. Accountability. Free mentorship. I think it's okay like that. The 3 is good. Just take it here. Then copy the dot, copy it. I think it's 3, just 3. Edit, just 3. So whenever you are designing for a business, one thing to consider, there are 3 things to no 2 let me say 2 things to consider. Whenever you are designing for a business design like this, maybe for an online class, make sure that your picture is by the right side while your write up is by the left, or your write up is by the right and your picture is by the left. So don't put your picture at the center whenever you are designing for online class. Please don't make the mistake. It will not make your work to be attractive. Let your picture be by the right or by the left, then your write up in the other side. So let me just do this. Venue, I want to write venue dot in the whatsapp close group. In the whatsapp close group, I think it's good like this. Then let me change the color to like maybe red, you know. So the color is good. I don't want the color to be much. I just give it style. I press the style and press bold, so the venue can be bold. So whenever you are designing a flag, see the picture, I've edited the picture before using it. I don't even consider, I don't even mind maybe the picture is sharp or it's not sharp. Another thing to do is copy a shape, reduce it like this. I want to write date. I want to put date to this place, the same color. Just take it. Look, let me add radius. I think we are using like 5 radius, so everything will be good and fine. So just copy anything, copy it, date 7th of March 2025, everything in capital letter. Then you bring it in and you reduce the size. Don't let it that big. I think it's good like this. We are free to go. Very simple. You cannot design this one for a client and the client will say, I don't like it. Just let's reduce this. Let's reduce it a little bit. The client will surely like it because it's very simple and classy. Very simple. See the color of the clothes with the same color here. Very simple. So just save your work. Remember I told you that you must save your work as project first. Just write anything, then you save as ultra. Always save as ultra. So after saving your design rather, I told you earlier that if your design have a picture, try to edit it after the design. So let's go to editing app now. I want to use Snapseed for the editing alone. The Snapseed. Then press the plus. That is how to use Snapseed. This is the interface of the Snapseed. If you don't know how to use it, you just wonder that where will I go to? Just press the plus, press the design. There are a lot of tools. You press the tools. There are a lot of tools here, but don't mind. We are to use just 3 tools. The details, just increase it with your hand. You see the structure is moving up there. Do you see it? Plus minus. Just increase the structure to like 15. 15 is okay. 15 is okay. Let me just leave it as that 12. Press it again. Sharpening should just be like 10 or 5. Leave it to 9 is okay. Press mark. Press the tools again. Come to image tone image. Increase the brightness. If you notice, do you see it's changing? Increase the brightness like 13 is okay, or 15. Let me leave it at 13. Then contrast, reduce it a little bit. Saturation, and if you like, you can increase the rest small, but I just decide to leave it that way. Then press mark again. The tools again, you come to white balance. Do you see the impact of the white balance? Do you see? So I just put it at maybe at -7 is good. -7 is good. Then I save it. I press. Then if you want to save your work, don't just press this import. Just press save. Your design won't look good. Press the share, then it will save before sharing. It will tell you to share, then you go back. You just press anything. You don't need to share. Your work has saved. So let's go to gallery. You see the design we saved just now. You see it now in my gallery. Let me go to gallery. You see my design. My design. This is the design. This is the one I edited. Do you see? It's very sharp than the first one. So thank you for watching. This is the voice of undirected graphics. Bye.